This is gonna be part 1 of the snowstorm.
Where?
Oh, she might be tired. Well, actually, like, it's actually getting kind of cold. I'm just gonna get her up. I must go downstairs and go get her milk. So, I'm back. It's just she keeps crying. What do I do? She never cried like this before, not of what I know of. Let's just give her milk. Oh, well, looks like she calmed down. Anyways, I can put her back to sleep. I don't know where I'm gonna put this milk, so I'm just probably gonna put it right there and go back to sleep. Brr. Why is it so cold all of a sudden? I'm gonna go ask Mom. You know, should I be doing it like right now at this night because Luna is asleep? But I just gotta ask for how, like, why is it so cold? Mom, why is it so cold? What, sweetie? Why is it so cold? Like, I can literally feel the cold air, like, getting onto me. Huh? What's going on? Let me just move this pillow. What's going on? Nothing, it's just really cold. You don't feel that cold air? Brr. Yeah, it's really, really cold. Honey, how about we start gathering all the people, like all our children, and let's get them, like, in the car. Good idea, Dad. Do you want me to start waking the twins up since I share a room with them? Yes, that would be a good idea. Thank you, honey, for telling us. Well, for coming to tell us. No problem, Mom. I'll just go ahead and go get them up. Even why it's so cold. We should probably get out of bed now. Yeah. So, like, I did hear the baby crying, so I just wanted to think that she probably needs her pacifier and her milk. So, did you give her at least her milk? Yeah. Okay, then let's wake her up for her pacifier. Alright, and, okay, go, like, find the little cart to put her in. Yeah. I'm back with the cart. Okay, let's put her in. Really? We really don't need to brush our teeth or anything. All we need to bring is just this. Oh, and that's the only thing we need. And how about we get into something even more comfier if you have any more comfier clothes? This is pretty comfy for me, so I'm just gonna lay that out for me. And this is pretty good. Honey, that's shorts. You're gonna be freezing. Yeah, but it's just a little bit of skin, so we're fine. Okay. Do you think she already got the kids up? Not all of them, but yeah, let's go check. Guys, get up. Guys, get up. Brr. Why are you waking us up early, sissy? It's like 5 a.m. Yeah, but it's kind of cold, so I need you to wake up. Getting something more comfier. Okay. Here, these two are the most best for you. Okay, and I'll put these in the trash. Have you like boo-booed on them or something? No. Okay, then I'll just put them right here for Mom and Dad to grab. You know what, let me move this. I don't even know why Mom has to put plates in our room for some stupid reason, but who cares? Y'all are all ready, so bring your stuffy and take out your pacifiers. Y'all are fine. Anyways, I'm gonna go get dressed. Okay, we're just gonna sit here. While they're doing that, what I'ma do, I wanna see if this outfit looks cute. Yeah, it's just not very cutesy. So I need my glasses, my like regular glasses. I'm gonna wear this. Even though it has a skirt, it's pretty useful. Because I really don't have anything other than this and this. So yeah, guys, I like to wear low things a lot, and that's why I have like each thing is like purple, because my mom really loves purple. Anyways, guys, let's go. Okay, let's get in the elevator. Okay, we're almost at the door, so let me get in the car. I have to do checkup to see if everyone's here. Okay. Oh, good. You got them all up. Yep. All right, let's get in. Let's go to the most zeroest floor. Part 2 of the snowstorm. Okay. Summer, go get them out. Go get them out. Okay, I will. They don't mind. I don't understand why they have like, okay, they have the biggest room and I only get like to share. Maybe because they're older than me, but who cares? Guys, wake up, wake up. It's freezing cold. They're probably gonna get cold because I said that. Brr. Why is it so cold all of a sudden? Did you turn the air off? Yeah, did you turn the air off? No, and why would I know how to use a thermostat? You know what? What do you want? Because it's like freezing cold and I need to go back to sleep. Mom and Dad and Luna aren't even up. Yeah, we are. Ugh, who cares? Yeah. So what did you come in here for? We're just going to sit down until you answer us. Well, the only reason why I came in here is because get up. Well, not, you're already up, so check. Getting something more better than these, like those clothes, you can get them what I have, or you don't have to get them what I have. So just getting something like you can just get in something that's similar to me. Yeah, we're gonna get in the same thing as you. Okay. They are coming. Anyways, so that in my basket and that in my basket. Since that's yours, you're gonna have that. Yeah, 'cause it's mine. Let's put this away. Grab my phone. Put this on. Anyways, let me take this off because it's not worth anything. My ears are gonna be cold, so actually I'm gonna look at my second like drawer. Yeah. So like I have a brown one, so this one will like work because it's all fur, and it will look better than that one. Who cares? Let's go. Guys, get in. It's starting to freeze up in here. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do our check off, okay? Okay. So first, do we have Amelia here? Okay. Luna. Yeah, she's right here. Okay, good. Jackson here. Here. Okay. Skylar here. Aubrey here. And Mackenzie here. Alright, I'm just gonna leave this right here while I go get the coolers. Anyone want a purple poppy? Yes. Mackenzie, Amelia, and Skylar. And me. Okay, so I need 4, which is all at the top row. good. And I'm gonna bring the heat warmer for the baby, okay? Okay, and I'm just gonna bring bowls for us. Some hot water just in case. I'm gonna bring the hot water thing too, since that will be like perfect. Do I need anything? I think that's all for this one to keep that cold. And then I'll bring some veggies. Yes, they're really good. Fish sticks, of course. Dino nuggies, because the kids love them. More fish sticks, more dino nuggies, and another fish stick. And what meat am I? You know what? I'm just gonna get some pasta too, and that's gonna be it. Alright. So I'm ready. Oh yeah, I'm gonna also get the twins 2 drinks. Well, honestly, me. Okay. There's only one purple drink, so we're not getting that. Anyways, guys, we're all ready. Yeah, so let's go in the cooler. I mean, not cooler. Let's go in the car. Part 3 of the snowstorm. Are you all settled? Yes. Okay. Go ahead and put the coolers up here. Is the baby alright? Yes. Oh yeah, can you give me like a drink? Yes, I can get you a drink. Thank you. No problem. Just put it right there. Or actually, I'm just gonna put it right there. Okay. I'm gonna leave this door open because if any of y'all need to come in here, especially your mom needs to come in here, you can just get up and walk, but I recommend you not getting up during half of the drive. And yeah, let's start the car. Great. We are working it. Since we live in a snowy place, guys, it's gonna be a little bit harder because it's been snowing for the past 5 days and it's really getting really hard to drive on the roads. So I do not know if we're gonna make it through the whole time, but if it starts snowing rapidly, we probably will turn back. And yes, pretend the big cloud comes like all the way under them. Oh my gosh, honey, look up above you on the car shield. Whoa, it's a big cloud. I think we're about to get so much snow, and it's probably gonna be like a lot, but like if the snow rapidly turns really fast and not like slow how it's coming down like right now, we might as well turn back, or we might go to the nearest hotel possible. Yeah, you're obviously right. Should I go tell the kids? Well, how about we just like leave it for now, but when we get to the hotel, if the snow starts going rapidly, we should actually tell them if it gets really fast at the hotel. That's fine. I think I heard mommy talking about something. What do you think she's talking about? Maybe like something about the cloud up in the sky. She said the snow's gonna like come down rapidly. I don't know what that word means. You should know what it is by now. You're in like 2nd grade. Yeah, and we don't know big words like you. You in 6th grade. Like literally. Stop coming for us, Skylar. Aubrey, be quiet. Why are you responding to my text then, Skylar? Exactly. Stay quiet. Girl, you are not a baddie. Like, are you playing fashion diva? Like, cause girl, you're not a fashion diva. That's all I know. Like, your fashion clothes are way out of handy. I mean, no offense, but it is kind of like funny how your style is, and like, bro, And like our style is like the best. Like how? This is gonna be part 4 of the snowstorm. Yeah, I actually agree with them because this is the first time I've ever agreed with y'all. But I've just gotta say that is true because you're not a baddie from Fashion Divas or like any place that's on Roblox that invades like anything. You're built like to invade people in the Roblox game called Invade. We don't even know what that game is, Skyla, so shut up. Aubrey, you should. Yeah, Aubrey, you don't have any good roast. You're not even a baddie. Baddies have good roast, and you don't. So clearly, you're talking to a baddie right beside you who is Skylar. Yeah, because she has the best roast. And you, overhand, you don't. You're a psychopath one. How am I a psychopath? You know, I just said it in a weird way, but I just said it because I didn't really know how to say it. So it sounded better in my head, guys. Yeah, everything sounds better in your head. For real. Honey, the snow's starting to like go fast. Look at it. Should we go to the nearest hotel? I think we have to. Yep, let's go. Why did the car just stop? So it looks like, guys, well, I can't tell you until we get there. So everyone, get your stuff. We're getting at the car. Wait, we're already at the place? Yeah. I guess you could say that. Let's go, honey. Okay. When we get in the side of the place, we will tell you why we came to this place and why did we have to come in the place, okay? Okay. Everyone follow your mother and me. Let's get out the car. Okay. Let's go, brother. Okay. Okay, guys, let's go check in. Hey, why are you checking in so late? We would like to get, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we get number 2 and number 3, please? Number 2 and number 3, that'll be like $10. Actually, that's gonna be 20 for both. Okay. He pays with the credit card. All right. There's your 2 keys. Enjoy our service. Okay, let me just turn these lights off because like it's like a night sign. Hold up, guys. I hate when this happens. Okay. Anyways, let's turn off all these lights in here. Even these candles. I don't know why they left the candles open, but who cares? You can go home. Good. Alright, have fun. Okay. Let's go, guys. Honey, are you sure this can fit all of us? We might need a second lift. It's good, honey. I think we can all fit in here. Okay. Guys, do not squish your baby sister Luna. Okay. Honey, this place is getting pretty. It's very stop. First room, we're going to the second floor. Tell me what happened to these 2. Okay, it's fixed now, guys. Let's go. Come. You 3 will be together, and us 2. Us 5 will be together. Okay. Oh no, it should be you 2, and it should be us. Y'all stay in the lift. Let's go. Second key, and here's the 3rd key. Okay. Let's put that there. Alright, now we're all good, guys. Come on in. Alright, so just lock this door back. Put that up there. Let's go. Let me turn off all the lights. we won't be needing them. Guys, it's probably like my Apple Pencil tip, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with another part, and this is going to be part 5 of the snowstorm. Okay, let's go. Snow starts flowing in. Oh my gosh, I can feel the breeze. Let me go check if I can close the doors. Guys, stay with your mother, okay? Okay. Gosh, let me try to close these doors. They're not closing. Oh my gosh, we're going to be sleeping here in the freezing cold. I mean, what should I do? Should I just like put something that attracts the heat? What do I need? The doors can't close. Guys, pretend like the doors are closed. Okay, now that it's closed, we can go back to our normal thing, and the cold air will flow through the night. I am back, guys. I closed the door, so you two will be sleeping in here. Me and your mom will be sleeping in there. Oh my gosh, we're flushing this down the toilet. There we go. It's gone. Anyways, you two get into bed. You will be having the top bunk. Yay! And you will be having the bottom bunk. Good. Alright, good night, guys. Alright, I'm just gonna put this right here. Alrighty, let's put the baby to sleep. Okay, and let's go to sleep. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Guys, pretend that the door is closed. Alright, unlock it, Skylar. Let's go. Aren't your ears cold? No, they're perfectly warm. Wow. I'm just gonna take this as a bonnet for tonight. Okay? So, who's the oldest? Well, you technically should get, like, your own room. Okay? And us two will share the bed. Okay? Make sure you stay far, far away from me. Ooh, okay. I do not want any rabies from you. Anyways, I'm gonna put our phones in here. I need to put your phone in here. No, of course not, because I might be up all night on my phone. Okay. Anyways, these lights must be turned off. Oh, I know that elevator light need to be turned off. Oh my gosh, my screen freezes like most of the time, bro. Just turn off these candles. Who like candles on their sleeping piece of rest? Oh my gosh, how many lights are there? Let's go to bed. Yeah. She gets very, very far away from her. Anyways, guys, I'm actually pretty tired, so I'm actually gonna put my phone right there, and we're gonna flush this down the toilet. Good. Now that I flush it down the toilet, we can go to bed. And let me just, let's put my glasses right there. I probably don't even need this, but we're just gonna keep it on for the night because it's actually kind of comfy. Bring, 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 bring. What is that noise? I turned my alarm off when we first got in the car. I probably didn't. Let's put on my glasses. Oh, yeah, it's time to wake up. I'm not gonna wake anyone up yet at this time because, like, they actually get me. Like, bro, they get me turned on. Anyways, I'm just going to turn on something that I want to watch. Low Cats. Surf's Up. Let's play it. Shoot, hold up. I need to switch Surf's Up. Okay, I need to put my phone down before it distracts me. Beep, beep. Alright, listen. level cleared. Second level. Level cleared. Back. Third level. Third level completed. Fourth level. Fifth level cleared. Sixth level. Or fourth. Or five. I'm just gonna say sixth, guys. Sixth level. I'm back with another part, guys, and this one is what I'm gonna be doing before bed. So yeah, and it's like 10:30 right now, and like I'm really tired, and I do not want to do like a role play, but I'm just gonna do one for y'all like right now, because that's the only thing. And yeah, guys, as you can see, like actually it's not like 10, but it's like 5 something, so I stayed up the whole night like to do this just for y'all, because yeah, I like staying up all night and actually doing role plays because they just get me bit up. So I actually like doing this role play, and if y'all want me to do more plays like this, I will. But this is, if you're thinking it's the end, no, because we're gonna continue. So like let's continue. If you see my hand a little bit, it's because I'm holding like my Apple Pencil at a different like slanted angle. Like, you know how like cars are parked, like normally cars are parked like this way, but I like to do my cars like my parents do their cars like slanted this way. But yeah, so that's why mine kind of looks like slanted. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, because it's actually getting a little bit boring. I'm gonna grab my phone and go wake up everyone else, because why not? Guys, wake up. It's actually like 7:30 in the morning. Wake up. Oh my gosh, can you stop interrupting our sleep? We're actually trying to sleep here. Yeah. Like, stop ruining our sleep. We're going back to sleep because you ruined it. So, bruh. Well, I don't know what y'all are talking about, because, like, literally, like, it's like 7:30, so wake up. Is mom and dad here to wake us up? No, so leave us alone. Well, you have to wake up. Mom and dad just texted me. Look, you should probably got the text. We didn't. You know what? We're gonna prove to you that we didn't get the text. Yeah. Like, you're getting on my nerves. Even mines. Just because we're older than you doesn't mean you have to do all the privileges because you're the youngest. Well, it's not my fault. Mom and dad texted us to get up. They're probably not even gonna come in here. Like, literally. Anyways, let's get our phones. Beep, 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 beep. Wait, they actually did. Shoot. They said they just texted that like 13 minutes ago. Yeah, because it's now 7:43. I had to come in here just for 13 minutes, literally just to wake y'all up. Well, not our fault. Yeah, not our fault. Anyways, get out of our room now. Okay. It's not even your real room. Yes, it is. You're lucky you get to share with the toddlers. No, I'm not really. I'm really not. But I'm so happy. This is what it feels like to actually be by yourself and a room. You get your own things to yourself. Feels so good by yourself. What does that say? Guys, that's probably read in like Toka language. But who cares? Bro, turn this computer off. Never mind, bro. Anyways, I'm probably gonna go downstairs and see what my parents are doing so we can get breakfast. breakfast. How about we just go downstairs and get breakfast at this point? Because I do not have time in the morning to argue with this girl. So actually, let's just go downstairs so we can get some food and go home. Yeah, it's because it's raining sleet outside. Sorry guys, like, I have to use my fingers. Don't tell me how to use 3. Let's go. We have to bring the key. Of course I know to bring the key. I'm back with another part because, yeah guys, so this is going to be part 6. And this series is getting a little bit long because this time I went for 5 minutes per minute. So I feel like it's getting a little too long. So when it hits like 35, I might stop the roleplay right there. So yeah, let's go downstairs. Let's just wait for them. Oh, why did I open the door? What up, guys? Like, pretend they were up the whole time. Pretend the Okay, anyways, let's go downstairs to get some breakfast. Yeah. Okay, how about we just shut up at this point, bro? Not they do this to like each person, bro. Who are gonna? Okay, I'll just get the key, bro, because I have like one more hand. Let's go. Oh, they're here. Good. Good thing y'all are awake, so we can go get breakfast quickly and get on the road back home. Yay! So guys, I actually clicked the wrong floor. I clicked like number 1. So yeah, I clicked the wrong floor, and you should be back here. You don't have that working. I mean, yeah, you do. Am I that stupid? Oh, I hear the elevator. Let's go. Okay. Oh my gosh, the phone hit my face. Guys, if my phone went like that, do not mind like what's over here. Guys, I'm also wearing a sweater. Anyways. Keys, please. Here's the keys. Yeah. Alright. Breakfast will be for $30. Okay. Beep. Have a good day. Shut up. Let's go, guys. Guys, I do not have enough fingers, so I have to, like, drag them. Bro, my fingers hurt from doing this. Give her earbuds back. We're almost there. There. Alright, we're already here. Everyone, get your stuff. Now. Guys, I used to do like 1x, but I want to do 0.5x now because that's better. Anyways, I gotta get this play done before it's 35 or we're gonna go to 37, okay? Anyways, let's go. I'm just gonna set the baby over here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get the baby something. The baby, she needs something soft, so I'm probably gonna get her like only like bread and some jam because that's the only thing she can eat right now because she's a baby. She has no teeth, so of course she's gonna just have some bread and some jam. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and like put that right there. I'm gonna pour me and my husband a little bit of tea because why not? It's the morning. We should always have tea. Tea is the best. Tea will always be the best. Bro, I just messed up my whole entire dang food for my dang daughter. Let's put a pacifier here. Bro, you know what? I'm putting this over here at this point. Sorry, guys, bro. I'm just rage baiting. Sorry if I sound rude, like, while I was angry. Yeah, guys, we're going to, like, 38. That's all I know, bro, because... Why can I not pick up this plate? Okay. Gosh. Anyways. Alright, I'm gonna take this off this candle. Put my husband tea here and my tea here. And I'm just going to go get my food and my husband's food. So we both like eat the same food. So I'm gonna get us some egg and this, egg and this. So let's just yes this. Ew, ew, ew. Get that off of my plate. Well, his plate. Okay, there. Alright, honey, we got the food. Alright, I'm just gonna put the kids down like the bubblers. Yeah, can I sit with you? No, me. Yeah, you can sit with me. Okay. I'm gonna go get my food. What did I get? What did I get? I might get me sausage and, a watermelon. Never mind. This right here. This is gonna be my food. Anyway, don't tell me you have to sit with one of these brats. Yeah, you can sit with your younger sister. Okay, and that's gonna be outside. Guys, pretend like rain stops. Okay. Okay, that means that this you, which is gonna be a total nightmare. But who cares? I'm just gonna get me a potato, cause like it's a potato, and I'm gonna get me some chopsticks because the potatoes all mashed up. The potatoes all mashed up, and I really like mashed potatoes that are mashed up. Anyways, I'm just gonna fill our cups up with like these. I got us both some orange juice. I mean apple juice. If it was orange juice, bro, he'll be crying out loud. For all I know. Anyways. Let's put out my toffee right there. I'm gonna get this. What should I get? What should I get? I'm gonna get mashed up carrots, cause mashed up carrots sound good. Anyways, I'm gonna buy with these chopsticks, cause yeah. Oh, you got the same thing as me, but just they're carrots. Yeah, that's it. Guys, now we're gonna be going to 40. I mean, not 40. Like 50 something or something. Cause this roleplay is taking like a long time. So yeah, guys. I'm just gonna see if the coin gets cut. Yeah, I might as well gonna get some coin. They have nothing good here. Oh, okay. Let's put our phones near mom. Yeah. I'm gonna put my phone right there. Okay. Let's get. Okay, the baby already ate, so that's good. I'm just gonna put this plate right there. Anyways, let's eat. Okay. Get your toy. Bye. Let's eat. I'll go put these, like, actually not, like, I'm just gonna put them like. Anyways, let's eat. Let's get it. Anyways, get my toy, get my phone, get my phone, get my phone. Let's go, guys. And yeah, guys, so that was the last part. Sorry that I said we were gonna end it at 35. Or yeah, sorry that I said that. It turns out we went all the way to 41. So yeah, last reminder, I just want to say that Jesus loves you and I love you. And remember, always stay cool. And this message is from Toka_Summer. Love you. Bye.